Want the latest Tesla features as soon as possible? This video shows you how to get software updates faster, including full self-driving betas. We'll explain Tesla's advanced software option and how it puts you in the fast lane for new features. Understand the risks and rewards before diving in. Tesla delivers updates over the air wirelessly. You can schedule them for convenience or install immediately to get new features faster. These updates improve everything from navigation to safety systems, making your driving experience better over time. The key to faster updates is enabling the advanced option in your Tesla's software settings. This opts you into beta releases, giving you access to new features sooner. Release notes detail what's new, including full self-driving enhancements. Advanced users get these updates first, including FSD betas. With Advanced enabled, you can receive updates up to 4 times faster than standard users, going from monthly to weekly releases. The benefits include faster access to full self-driving and new features. However, there are risks like occasional bugs or warranty concerns. The rewards are worth it for those wanting the latest Tesla experience. Tesla's software updates are delivered over the air, meaning they're sent wirelessly to your vehicle through Wi-Fi or cellular networks. Unlike traditional car manufacturers that require you to visit a dealership for updates, Tesla's system completely skips this step. These updates can vary greatly in size and scope, ranging from small bug fixes of just 1 gigabyte to major system overhauls as large as 10 gigabytes. Once downloaded, updates install automatically when your Tesla is parked and has a stable connection. This happens during idle times, so you don't need to wait or monitor the process. This update system reflects Tesla's core commitment to ongoing improvement, allowing the company to rapidly deploy enhancements and keep vehicles at the cutting edge of automotive technology. To access beta software updates faster, start by navigating to the Controls menu on your Tesla's touchscreen. From the Controls menu, tap on Software to open the software settings. In the Software menu, look for and select Advanced Options. This is where you'll find the toggle for early access. Once in Advanced Options, toggle the switch to enable early access to beta software. This enrolls your vehicle in the Early Access program for faster updates. Be aware that beta software might be less stable than standard releases. You may experience occasional bugs or require rollbacks, but this allows you to test new features and updates before their wide release to all users. To receive Tesla software updates, your vehicle needs to meet several key prerequisites. First, ensure your battery has sufficient charge, typically at least 20 to 30%, to prevent interruptions during the download process. Second, you'll need a stable internet connection, either through Wi-Fi or cellular networks, to download the update files, which can be several gigabytes in size. Third, your Tesla must have compatible hardware. Hardware version 3 or later is recommended for most advanced features and ensures smooth operation of new software capabilities. Once these prerequisites are met, Tesla's system determines update eligibility. The company uses artificial intelligence to prioritize updates based on user feedback and safety-critical fixes, ensuring that the most important improvements reach vehicles first. This AI-driven system analyzes feedback from millions of users to identify and address issues quickly, often deploying patches within hours or days rather than weeks. Let's look at some real-world examples of Tesla software updates in action. The FSD V12 rollout in early 2025 gave over 100,000 users access to city streets driving capabilities. A California user case study showed interventions reducing from 5 to 1 daily after enabling the advanced option. However, a software rollback was needed due to a sensor glitch, demonstrating the trade-off between faster updates and system stability. In Austin, Texas, a supervised FSD pilot with 500 vehicles showed 95% successful navigations, accelerating FSD access for participants by 2 to 3 months compared to standard beta programs. Elon Musk has emphasized that enabling advanced betas empowers users as co-developers in Tesla's ecosystem, accelerating innovation through direct feedback and testing. According to J.D. Power, Tesla's over-the-air update model significantly reduces recall costs by 50% compared to traditional automakers, highlighting the efficiency of wireless software deployments. However, Consumer Reports cautions that rushing beta updates can introduce risks. citing a 2024 incident where a momentary loss of control occurred, though Tesla reports an extremely low failure rate of just 0.01%. Overall, enabling advanced settings provides a gateway to cutting-edge features like faster FSD updates, but it's best suited for tech-savvy users who understand and accept the potential trade-offs for early access. Looking ahead, Tesla's software updates are evolving rapidly, driven by advancements in artificial intelligence and machine learning. Monthly update cycles are becoming the standard, with experts predicting near-weekly releases for full self-driving features by 2030. This acceleration is powered by AI models that continuously learn from real-world driving data, making vehicles smarter and safer over time. However, global regulatory compliance is becoming increasingly important. In regions like the European Union, stricter AI and safety standards may delay advanced features by 6 to 12 months compared to unrestricted markets. Tesla is adapting by implementing phased rollouts and localized compliance checks, ensuring updates meet diverse international requirements while maintaining the company's commitment to rapid innovation. As you consider enabling the advanced settings for faster access to experimental features, it's important to weigh the benefits against potential drawbacks. Faster updates mean getting the newest technology sooner, with features like improved autopilot and FSD enhancements that could enhance your driving experience and safety. However, this comes with the possibility of encountering instability, requiring you to report issues or temporarily roll back updates. In conclusion, enabling advanced gives you access to Tesla's cutting-edge technology faster, positioning you at the forefront of automotive innovation. But it requires being more hands-on with potential troubleshooting. If you're comfortable with occasional glitches for the latest features, advanced is worth considering. Otherwise, standard updates provide a more stable experience. The choice ultimately depends on your comfort level with technology and your desire for the newest capabilities.